Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your mouse sensitivity on Windows so you can control how fast or slow your cursor moves. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to adjust your mouse sensitivity on Windows, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open your computer settings. So just search settings on your Windows search bar and then open it. And once you're here on settings, next, I want you to go to Bluetooth and devices. And then go to mouse options. And here in the mouse settings, you can adjust your cursor sensitivity using the pointer speed slider. The higher you set it, the faster your cursor will move. The lower you set it, the slower and more precise it will be. Feel free to experiment with different sensitivity levels until you find what's most comfortable for you. Once you've found the setting that feels right, you're all set and done just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.